in the first test match against Pakistan at Rawalpindi in October 1998. Colin Miller, better known for his off-spin bowling, surprised many by bowling medium fast, and it paid off. He claimed his maiden test wicket, dismissing the experienced batsman Salim Malik, brilliantly caught by Mark Taylor in the slip cordon. Miller finished the first innings with a figure of 1 for 65. In the second innings, Miller switched back to his natural off-spin and bowled a tireless spell, sending down 21 overs and returning impressive figure of 2 for 30, including 8 maiden overs. His all-round bowling effort helped Australia to dominate the match as they went on to crush Pakistan by an innings and 99 runs at Rawalpindi. A memorable debut for Colin Miller with the ball.
Moved the ball. Moved the ball so well. He chased that, Salim Malik, and that's the fourth Pakistan wicket down.
Oh, that is amazing, incredible.
Yes.
The ball moved appreciably, I saw. It moved more than one expected, but then you couldn't be playing a shot like this.
Very fine catch by Taylor. Let's take a look at that. Yes, it was a very rash shot, and it's a ball that could clearly have been left alone.
Mind you, the ball that is Salim got out, the maximum swing.
Again, let's see it.
In the air it moved, and again off the seam it moved.
Yes, right.
And that is where Salim got committed in the shot, and he couldn't sort of...
I think he was playing a one-day shot there, trying to steer that one. He had no way.
I would say he was deceived in the air. That is why he
looked again.
You know, he got committed. The moment the ball left his hand, he chased it, and then he couldn't get away, you know.
Yes.
It moved in the air and then moved
pretty thick,
off the seam.
Thick outside edge. And from
see how far away from his body?
काफी एडवांस
on the pad. Miller was very excited, but umpire really not.
Yet I think it pitched outside the off stick slightly, left stick.
Yeah, left stump. Yes.
That is why the umpire had nothing to do with it. Otherwise, it was well worth its shout. You see the ball pitched outside the leg stump.
Once again, Ahmed Sohail has to hurry. He struck and will get a single, but Miller, there he is.
बहुत अच्छा रन भागना शुरू कर दिया ताकि जल्दी से जल्दी वक्त कवर किया जाए और बैट को आखिर में रोल नहीं किया. होनहार बैट्समैन हैं और
tries his little best to
win. That's a good forearm. The fine shot, square drive. Shot that is one of his favorites, and he plays it so well. Beautiful shot.
beautifully timed there, glorious shot. The roll of the wrist, angling the bat towards that point region, and he's looking good.
Bowling.
And then out from LBW, and that's very 2 for 4. Saeed didn't look too happy, but all the same, he's walking back to the pavilion, and my word, Pakistan in dire trouble. That is definitely an understatement, Sri Lanka.
Well, it looks in front, but then the batsman played it quite forward, fairly forward, and well, the umpire's best position, we are at a height, we will know the exact, to me the only redeeming feature of the batsman is that he played forward.
And at 32,
Saeed had gone full-fledged, stretched well forward. Well, that could be the only factor which could have
one shot by Moeen.
Taylor certainly trying
to be pushed off. That was
shot that he's using. You see, the moment he sees the ball is going away from him, he doesn't even attempt to play. Very wide.
Oh God, he's gone, yes. And Healy has become the highest victims to him in Test cricket behind the stumps. And he's beaten the record of his own countryman, Rodney Marsh. So 356 victims to now. Healy being congratulated there by his teammates. Hugged, perhaps even a few smooches would not be out of context here. But at the same time, definitely now, not only the curtains, there it is, Miller.
The ball turning away from him, that is his normal delivery. And it is because Wasim Akram had become too careful and he was just trying to avoid when I think it took the outer edge.
Yes, so that's it.
Working very hard for the last so many years. A very, very keen and committed cricket. He's been the finest professional cricketer as a wicket-keeper batsman.
Come off Miller, and look at the thrill. There's the Australian skipper.
Very deserved jubilation. Very, very deserving man who's worked very hard.
Marsh 355 of 96 tests.
Colin Miller, affectionately known as Funky for his flamboyant personality and distinctive blue hair, was a unique figure in Australian cricket. Born on February 6, 1964 in Melbourne, Victoria, he was a versatile bowler capable of delivering both right-arm fast-medium and right-arm off-break deliveries, initially starting his career as a fast-medium pacer. Miller transitioned to off-spin bowling following an ankle injury, and he often alternated between the two styles even within the same match. Overall, Colin Miller played 18 test matches. In these appearances, he took 69 wickets at an impressive average of 26.15. His best bowling figure in an inning were 5 for 32, and he achieved 3 wicket hauls and 1 10 wickets match haul. During the 2001 season, Colin Miller claimed 32 wickets at an average of 21 in just 6 test matches, securing 5 wicket hauls on 3 occasions. These outstanding performances earned him the prestigious Allen Border Medal for Test Player of the Year in 2001. Colin Miller's ability to switch between pace and spin made him a valuable asset to the Australian team, providing flexibility in various test situations. His unconventional approach and vibrant personality left a lasting impression on the cricketing world. If you like this video, please comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.